Hi, it's Kate. Today I will be playing with lovely background stamp by Wool Embossing Powder, and I will be making super easy card, and I think this tutorial is great for beginners. First step is to stamp with embossing ink this background stamp. It's very bold, big, detailed stamp. It's awesome, and I really recommend to use stamping platform because with this kind of stamps, when you have background stamps, it's great to stamp 2 or 3 times, really, to be absolutely sure that you have good impression. But I stamp 2 times. I'm sprinkling white embossing powder because I will be doing white heat embossing and then embossed resist technique. Embossed resist technique means that you have got something with embossed area or stamped and embossed, stenciled and embossed, and over it you are applying some color, but this color will not stick to embossed area. This is the magic of embossed resist. So I heat set it, I cut rectangle, and I glue my rectangle to a no card. So it's prepared card panel, and I will be just decorating this front panel. I will be using distress oxides and this very old stencil. Sorry, I absolutely don't know the name of the brand. It's just basic polka dot stencil. And I'm applying Kitsch Flamingo and peacock feathers just here and there. You can slowly see how my embossed stamped background is peeking through. But at the end, it will be peaking much more, and I will show you very easy trick. Of course, for this technique, you need to use ink which is not permanent. If I will use archival ink or StayZone or pigment ink, it will cover my embossing. So distress inks, all kinds or brands of dye inks is great for this technique. You can use as many ink colors as you like. I like combination of these two because when they are mixed, it has got very lovely violet or purple color. I will cover the whole area of my front panel, and of course you can use a blending brush, you can use this applicator, this classical big or one. It's absolutely up to you what you have at home. You don't have to use white embossing powder, but white, it's I think the most beautiful for this technique. And there's my trick. Just take clean towel or anything, I have just piece of cloth, and remove color from the embossed area. And the embossed numbers will be very visible. It's beautiful. You can see close-up photos at the end. This is my focal point. This is image which I draw at computer. I print it and fussy cut it, and also sentiment. If you like this image, you can find it at my Etsy shop. Link is below. I like to use very easy focal point for my card making when it goes to such a simple card or such a great background, very interesting background, but still so easy that all beginners can make it. Blahopřání, it's in Czech language, congratulations. And this is all. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you nice and calm days, and try this technique really with any kind of embossing powder and any kind of dye ink. You can play and create many great cards. Have a nice day.